Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am posting a long vlog just to give you guys a glimpse into my life as a stay-at-home mom. I decided to start with laundry today because I don't want it to pile up too much, so I'm trying to knock it down. I also needed to do my hair because it's been super dry and acting weird, so I wanted to really strip my hair. Whatever products have been making it dry. I have been thinking about going back to using products that I haven't used in a long time. Some of these new products don't really work for me and they're expensive, so I went back to my roots. I went in with some sulfur 8 because my scalp has been very irritated and flaky. When I looked at the ingredients, I kind of remembered why I stopped using products like this, but hey, I asked my husband to buy it and he bought it at my request, so I'm gonna use it. So my hair actually feels really good. I did go in with a deep conditioner, Miss Jessie's Sweet Back treatment. But my hair is it hasn't felt like this in a while. So I am glad I went with the sulfur 8. My hair does not feel dry. It doesn't look dry either. It looks really healthy. So now I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner and mousse and go on and style it. So it's the next day and I'm starting my morning off with some raspberry leaf tea. I am a week away from my cycle starting and I've been kind of bloated, so this tea is supposed to help with menstrual symptoms like bloating, and it's just really nice and warm and comforting first thing in the morning. Oh, fruit salad. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Don't spell it.
Oh, okay.
It's very hot.
I see.
Yay!
For lunch, the kids and I like these homemade Lunchables that I make. I like to buy non-rounds, especially when they're on sale. I'll stock up and store them in the freezer. I'll pop them out, toast them. I'll add pizza or marinara sauce, pepperoni, and shredded cheese. Today I'm out of pizza sauce, but the girls didn't mind to go without it, so that's what we ate for lunch. And after lunch, I put the littlest one down for a nap. While she's napping, I'm going to get some laundry folded. I like to fold all the clothes and put them up before starting a new load in the washer. This helps me stay on top of the laundry sometimes. It's easier for me to mentally tackle it knowing I don't have so many loads in the dryer or waiting to be folded. After laundry, I needed to make dinner for the next few days. I had a lot of ground beef left over from my last Costco run, so I wanted to do like a homemade hamburger helper. This is an easy and quick meal, and I know the kids will eat it throughout the week. It takes the guesswork out of what I'm feeding them, and it also eliminates the stress of them not wanting to eat what I make. Nobody told me that making meals for kids would be the hardest part of motherhood. I always try to make sure they're getting enough protein and vegetables, but sometimes their taste buds are just all over the place. But I also don't want to raise picky or basic eaters. I grew up in an Asian household, so I ate a lot of different foods. And I don't want my kids to be chicken tender kids. Like, there's nothing wrong with that, but I would like them to explore and try different things and just find things that they love that are outside of that basic scope. For myself and my husband, I'm going to make some asparagus, which has been a favorite of mine lately. I like to parboil them, and then I'll finish cooking them with butter and a little bit of chicken broth or water, and season with salt and pepper. And I have to like really control myself because I will eat it all before I even finish cooking. I started cooking dinner really early in the day, which helped me out a lot because my husband ended up taking the kids out for a while, so I had some time to really focus. I was supposed to edit and have this vlog out, but I decided I really wanted to clean and declutter our master bathroom. It has been so neglected, and I have so many products that are either half empty or just old. Since it was trash night, I thought it was the perfect time to declutter my old products and clean from under one of our sinks. This bathroom looks 100 times better. My husband even commented on how nice it was. I really need to finish cleaning some more stuff in here, but for now, I'll just leave it like this. So I'm actually going to move all this stuff from in here to the closet because I want to repurpose this cubby. So I guess I should do that as well. I have so many unused products, and although I'm not throwing them all away, I don't know what to do with them besides just give them away. So I'll probably make a little giveaway box or something to use just so I can store this stuff away and use them as gifts for friends. So no more cubby. Ignore the mirror, it fell off the wall and we need to put it back up there. Anyway, that's the end of my vlog. Thanks for watching, and if you like these longer videos, please like and comment and let me know what content you guys want to see more of, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.